Hello guys, so we'll look at the next problem here with fractions, and let's take a fraction at random. Let's say you have a problem like this. Sorry, oops. So you have 3 upon 9 times 27. Now when you write 27 like this, you're really saying 27 upon 1. So what is this equal to? Now for someone that can recognize that 9 multiplied by 3 is 27, right? So where they see this 27, they're gonna write 9 multiplied by 3. So this can you rewritten as 3 upon 9 times 9 times 3 upon 1. So now you're gonna just cancel the 9 and the 9. So when you cancel here, you get 1 1, and you're left with 3 upon 1 times 3 upon 1 is equals to 9. This is one way of working it. Now, a next way, what if you start by doing this? 3 upon 9 times 27 upon 1, and you said, oh, I have 3 upon 3 times 3 times 27, and you say, what is 27? It's 9 3 is 27, so you write 3 times 3, which is 9 times 3. So 3 to the cube power is 27. Now you can have it in this format here, and let us say you cancel this with one of this. So this is 1, this is 1, and now you have the remaining 3's here. So one of this with one of this. So on this side, what you have left, 1 upon 1. So you have 1 upon 1 times 3 3's. Well, this is 1 times 3 times 3. 9 upon 1. Your answer is still going to be 9. So this here is one way of doing it. This is the second way of doing it, right? Now, you need to understand your tables, or you need to understand, yeah, that would help you to find common factors. You can reduce stuff down, or you can break down. For example, if you write a number like 25, what is 25? 25 is the same as 5 multiplied by 5. And this would help you. If you have a number like 20, this can be 10 times 2, or this can be 10 is the same as 5 times 2 times 2. So we have 5 by 2 by 2, right? What else you can say? You can also say this is 5 times 4. So these are different ways of expressing 20. All right? So you need to get used to take a number and express it in other formats. Like if you have the number 6, this is the same as 3 times 2. And you can, well, you can't really see anything else other than 6 times 1, right? So let us try to do some more examples in terms of expressing numbers in simpler formats. All right, so let me get rid of all of this here, and we'll continue. Good. So let's take a next question. So what about you have 2 upon 7 of 14? What is this equal to? Now, when you see you have of, this is indicative of using a multiplication sign here. So this becomes 2 upon 7 multiplied by 14 upon 1. But 14 can be rewritten as 2 multiplied by 7, right? So what you have here is 2 upon 7 times 2 times 7 upon 1. Now, you can cancel this 7 with this 7. So this is 1 and 1. So you have now 2 upon 1 times, this is 2 times 1, which is 2 upon 1, which will give you 4 upon 1, which is 4. So when I look at this, 2 upon 7 times 14, this is 1, this is 2, and I'm going to get 4. So what you're doing here, you have a number, okay? You have a number. In this case, the total is 14. So you're saying, if I take 14 and divide it up into 7 sets, right? So if you have 14 things and you divide it up into 7 sets, so what will you have? So let's try to look at that here. So I'm gonna just divide it into sets of, let's say this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have to get a next set of 7. All right. So let's continue here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, what you can see here, this is one set, this is one set, another set, another set. So you have, if you have 14 elements and you want to create 7 sets out of it, each set will have 2 elements. This is one set, another set. And how many sets you're going to have? You have 7 sets with 14. Now when you look here, it's saying what is 2 of 7 sets? What will that be? 2, you have 7 sets and you want to know 2 sets out of the 7 sets, what will that amount to? And that is how you see here, if I take, let's say, this set here and this set here. So I have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 4. And that is how I'm getting this 4 here. All right. So let's look at the next question. Supposing you have, let's say, 5 upon 10 multiplied by 20 upon 1. What is this equal to? Now this is the same as saying 5 upon 5 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 20 is what? 20 is 10 multiplied by 2. You can do this here. And let's work this out. What we're going to get. So here you can have this 2 cancel with this 2. So 1, 1. And this 5 cancel with this 5, 1, 1. So I'm going to get 1 upon 1, because 1 multiplied by 1 is 1, times 10 multiplied by 1 is 10 upon 1, and your answer is going to be 10 upon 1, which is 10. Now, the other way you can work this out is to say that 5 upon 5 times 2 times 5 times 4 upon 1, and this here is also going to give you this 5 going to cancel with this 5, and this here is 1 2 2 2's, so this is 1. So you really have again here 5 upon 1 times 2 upon 1, which is 10. So this should give you some more ideas how to break down stuff, fractions, and multiply. I will stop here in this video, and do subscribe to my channel, Spectrum 1844. Hope you guys are having a good evening. So keep learning your maths. Okay, bye for now.